Model SF7 machine is essential in the home textile industry, enabling efficient edge folding and lockstitch for mattresses. It durable stitches and supports mass production while meeting premium home textile quality requirements. Max sew thickness is 7 cm. The sewing thickness function of machines offers adjustable settings to fit various mattress layers and materials. Equipped with high-stability industrial sewing heads to perform firm, consistent stitching on flanged edges, supporting standard stitch types to enhance the structural durability and aesthetic finish of mattress borders. Compatible with various mattress inner materials, foam, spring units, padding, and customizable for all standard mattress sizes. Non-woven fabric into the mattress edge seam during the flanging process, embedding the non-woven fabric as a reinforced interlayer between the mattress top/bottom panels and side fabric stably without manual adjustment. The dedicated waste scrap pipe is directly connected to the machine's flanging and sewing area, solving the problem of scrap accumulation during the flanging process and optimizing the cleanliness and efficiency of the production line. Cleaning air gun can delivers targeted high-pressure airflow to instantly remove thread ends and cotton lint. It prevents needle tangling and stitching defects, protects mechanical components, and boosts both mattress finish cleanliness. Foot pedal controlled flexible operation, it integrates professional flanging, lock stitching, and flexible control, enabling operators to adjust the machine in real time for precise, safe, and flexible processing. Features an intuitive control panel with automatic feeding with adjustable working pressure and speed for different material thicknesses. The oil supply system for mattress flanging machines lubricates critical moving components, reduces friction and wear, minimizes operational noise and avoids jamming. Heavy-duty, built with industrial-grade steel for 24/7 operation. Model SF7 machine delivers flawless sewing outcomes with uniform, tight and smooth stitches. It ensures clean, smooth-edge seams, elevates the aesthetic quality of finished mattresses, and meets high-standard appearance requirements for premium bedding products.